Alright guys, so I'm going to try something new today where I'm going to try to do this first person view so that you guys can kind of see a little bit of what's going on. But like I said earlier, today we're going to go all the way to Winfield's, and it's only about 30 minutes away. And we're going to go ahead and get the tune on the car because we've got all the like fuel leaks fixed, like actual like the smell of gas leaking into the house, like everything mechanically is fixed. So today what we're gonna do is, hopefully, I've got a little sheet here of everything that the mechanics said that kind of needed some that had some issues. Was like, whenever it's like the car is super warm, like it warms up really good, like at stop signs and stoplights, it just stalls out. So they're saying that it's like a timing issue because they're telling me they've tried everything. It's not the tuner's fault. So like, I don't want people to be like, well, like, because I know the tunes don't change, but I guess the circumstances for the tunes can change. So like, obviously if I'm leaking fuel, there's going to be a pressure leak somewhere. Sorry, I couldn't help it, man. Woo! I mean, the car drives phenomenally whenever like everything is like, when it first starts up to just being a little warm. The issue is when it gets very warm is when the engine stalls out and the idle fluctuates. Like, I've got the air to fuel, so like whenever I'm gunning it, the air to fuel is normal, but then it starts to get kind of wonky. So hopefully the tune today is going to help with timing, and it's going to help with like fuel delivery and all that good stuff. And she'll be back up to 100%. Full, like straight up just going at it and just killing stuff. So I've never done like a POV, and I have no idea how it's going to turn out. Like, the camera's like between my eyes. And some views of beautiful New Mexico. Let me get over here real quick. And yeah, this is actually kind of cool, but unfortunately the GoPro's battery is at 50%. So when I get closer to Winfield's, I'll go ahead and hit up with you guys, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed the vlog up to this point. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, we're getting close. Got a beautiful view of the mountains over there. Reason my tire pressure warning light's on is because my stock tires are at home, stock wheels, and those sensors are still on there. But beautiful little drive here through the little pecan tree groves and guy cutting his grass. Beautiful day outside today, 61 degrees in southern New Mexico. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed your flight, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe to the channel if you're new. And let's get it. This guy's picking up some poop. Alright guys, got Winfield. We just did a little legal pull in Mexico. And I'm not crazy. There is stuff wrong with the car. So we're going to go ahead and get that fixed real quick. That's his handy dandy laptop. If you guys live out here, Goose Tuned, gotta go check him out. Motherfucker. Dude, it's like, how do you fuck that? They worked on my engine. But yeah, he's doing his little computer thingy, and then we start doing some pulls. I'll put the thing on my hat and you guys can see it. We just do 55, but yeah, it should be fun. Oh yeah. You like my ghetto way of doing it?
Yeah, that's nice.
Pretty good, huh? cross.
Yep.
Still reading?
Yep.
That's good.
Let me make a flash real quick here.
Alright.
I'm gonna pull some more fuel out of it.
Alright guys, so that went well. What we learned from the tune was my air to fuel was really rich, and unfortunately that was causing a lot of the issues that I had. And then also the connection between my map sensor and the connector is kind of goofy. So what I'm probably going to try to do is, I think the connector's dirty, so I'm going to try to get some alcohol and some wire brush and get in there and clean it out real good, and then hopefully that fixes it. And if that doesn't fix it, then I'm going to use that dielectric gel to maybe put on the connectors a little bit. Maybe that'll help with the connectivity with that connector and the map sensor. But yeah, so if that doesn't work, then I guess down the line I'll have to get a new map sensor, get a new connector. But as of right now, the car is running great, idle is great, everything is great. It feels like a brand new car again, and I love it. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Sorry I only did one pull, but like we were like trying to figure it out. It wasn't like a tune for like fun. It's kind of a diagnostic tune. Shout out to Winfield at Goose Tuned. He hooked it up. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And if you enjoyed the first person for a little bit, I'm trying it out. I have no idea how it's going to look. If you enjoyed that, leave a comment down below if you think we should do that more. Also, I just want to let you guys know, I ordered something. And I don't know when it'll be here, but when it's here, you'll know, because I am super excited about it. Let's just say it's one of my dream, something I've always dreamed about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and sorry for all the goofiness of trying to drive. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Wash your hands.